Hello all, welcome to Jothishi.com. Today we'll take you through a temple which has one of the largest Shivlingams in the world. The Kotilingeshwara Temple, located in Kammasandra, a small village in Kolar district near Bengaluru, Karnataka. Koti in Kannada means a crore and Kotilingeshwara is 1 crore Shivlingams. The temple with the tallest Shivlinga in the world is installed here along with 90 plus lakhs of other Shivlingas of different sizes. The 33 meters high Shivlinga and 11 meters high Lord Nandi, the bull, are the main attractions of this temple. In 1980, the temple was initiated and constructed by Swami Sambha Shivamurthy. According to local legend, the king of gods, Indra, once cursed sage Gautama, and the sage wanted to rid himself of the curse. He installed a Shivlingam and prayed to God. He anointed the Shivlingam with the water of 10 million rivers. The Shivlingam, even today, can be seen on the premises of this temple. Another story associated with this temple is there was a person named Manjunatha who was a good character, but an atheist who insulted Lord Shiva ever since he was little. Later in life, he realized the divinity of Lord Shiva and became an ardent devotee of Lord Manjunatha. He and his family visited the local Lord Shiva temple, but a few incidents occurred which were interpreted as bad omens. And every single holy deepa used to become unlit. Other temple goers cursed Manjunatha for this cause. One of the Maharajas approached Manjunatha, and to prove his innocence, he lit all the lamps with his magic. Manjunatha, to acquit himself from the curse, he, under the patronage of Maharaja Ambikeshwar Varma and the help of his family, he created 10 million lingas and consecrated them. Hence, the name Kotilingeshwara came into existence. Within the premises of this temple, there are about 11 other temples for different deities. The first of them includes the temple of Lord Vishnu, Lord Brahma and Lord Maheshwara, followed by a temple of Lord Kotilingeshwara. Daily pujas are performed at all installed Shivlingas by the priest every day. The puja is carried out with music and drums, and all the priests recite mantras as well as pour water on the lingas. The devotees can also offer special pujas by installing the lingas. These lingas can be installed on any day chosen by the devotees in their names. So if one wants to donate Shivlingas of any sizes, one can head to Kotilingeshwara, which can be installed with the name of the donor embedded on it. Hope you liked our Kotilingeshwara Temple video. Be with us for more interesting temple stories from Jothishi.com.